If you are just getting started with QuickBooks Online, there is one feature you absolutely need to understand before doing anything else, and that is the Chart of Accounts. You can think of it as the master filing cabinet for your entire business. Every single dollar that comes in or goes out of your company gets sorted into a specific folder inside this cabinet. It categorizes exactly what you own, what you owe, what you earn, and what you spend. Getting this set up correctly is crucial because it acts as the foundation for all your financial reports, like your profit and loss and your balance sheet. In this video, I'll walk you through how to find your chart of accounts, how it's organized, and how you can easily customize it to fit your specific business. Let's jump into the screen and take a look. First, open your browser and log into your QuickBooks Online dashboard. It will usually load right onto your home screen. After that, go to your settings in the top right corner by clicking the gear icon, and then click Chart of Accounts under the Your Company column. You can also simply go to the search box, type Chart of Accounts, and you will find exactly what you are looking for there. Now that we are looking at our master list, let's add a new account. Go over to the top right and click the green New Account button. A pop-up menu will appear where you can set up the new account. Here, you will need to fill in the account name, account type, detail type, opening balance, and a description. At the bottom, you will also see a preview of your new account as you build it. For this video, I am going to name it Checking. For the account type, select Bank, and for the detail type, select Cash on Hand. Next, you can enter your opening balance and the opening date. The opening balance is simply the amount of money you open this account with. You can leave the description blank, and then click Save. After that, you will immediately see the new account appear in your master list. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials.